Well, hello everyone. Today I am going to be doing a very long needed clean out of my closet. I'm going to be taking all of mine and my husband's clothes and going through and seeing which ones we're going to donate, which ones we're going to just kind of store away, and which ones we're going to keep. Since it's springtime and we're going to be moving soon, I thought this was the perfect thing to do. So if you guys would like to see what we do with all of our clothes, then just keep on watching. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Vanessa and usually I do cleaning videos for you guys for cleaning motivation. But recently, me and my husband are actually moving out of our first home and I have been documenting what we've been doing to the house and things like this right here where I'm going to be going through our clothes to kind of, make it to where the move is going to be a little bit easier. So basically what we're doing today is we're going to be going through both mine and my husband's clothes. All of them. Now, fair warning, my husband doesn't have that many clothes. You'll probably see just a couple of clips and that's all he has. I, on the other hand, have tons of clothes. So what we decided to do when we were, doing all of this, we had a bunch of trash bags. Yes, trash bags. But we had one that was for donation. We had one that it was the clothes that, we wanted to keep, whether it was like sentimental or we still like the shirt even though we didn't fit into it or whatever it may be. We kept another bag for that to kind of just put away and put into storage or, whatever we're going to do with it. And then we have the clothes that we're keeping. So you will be seeing us going through kind of our clothes and kind of separating them into different piles because we're going to donate some, keep some, and then actually have the ones that we're going to wear. So me putting my clothes away is going to be a little bit different from my husband's. My husband doesn't have a lot of clothes. His mostly sit in the dressers or the drawers and that's it. Mine, on the other hand, are all over the place. I take up every single closet that is in our house. And it's because, so we live in Southern California. We live also in the desert. So some days it could be 110 up here and sometimes it could be like in the 30s at night. So I kind of keep out everything because I never know what the weather is going to be. So most of my clothes are hung up. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take down like all of the sweaters and I'm going to go through and see which ones I want to keep, which ones I want to donate, and which ones I just kind of want to put away. So I'm going to do that with kind of everything. Tank tops, summer clothes, winter clothes. I don't put away my winter clothes when it's summer and I don't put away my summer clothes when it's winter time either because of where we live. So you'll see me kind of separate everything into different piles and then from there I will put them in a trash bag and I will write on there donation if they're being donated or keep if they are going to just go into storage for the time being until we move or if, whatever. The ones that have holes or clothes that are just ruined, those I'm actually just going to keep and I'm going to use those for when I clean the house. I usually will cut them and use them as like rags and stuff to kind of clean up the house and that way I get an extra use out of it. I must say, if you guys haven't done this yet, well, at least this spring, I definitely recommend doing it. It actually feels really good. One, yes, to donate because, right now everyone's in a time of need and it feels really good to give away something, especially if you don't need it anymore. Just hand it over to someone who actually does. But right now with everything going on in the world, you're stuck at home, it feels really good to declutter My closets are so clean now, and it just feels good to kind of get rid of things that you just don't need anymore. If you haven't put them on in a long time, just get rid of it. You know, don't hoard it. It's way easier to just go through it. So I must say, I've put this off honestly for probably years. But now that I've done it, I'm actually very happy that I did it. And I know that when we move, I'm not going to be bringing things that aren't needed. It's just only things that we need. And from there, you know, of course, we're going to buy more clothes. But at least the ones that have come to a close now, those clothes are done. And they're being sent off somewhere else. And yeah. Also, the last bit of this, I didn't realize that I still had clothes in the washer and the dryer. So what you're seeing is me throwing everything on my bed and doing my laundry, and also kind of picking things apart on what we still want to put away and what we kind of don't. Usually anything that's in the washer we actually wear a lot, so I don't want to really get rid of it, or we don't really need to like put it away. It more just needs to go back where it's supposed to. And then the socks. The socks. I hate doing socks. If I ever hated doing laundry, socks are the worst part. I just put them in like this little basket, and then I'll wait until it gets full, and then I'll throw it on the bed, and I just kind of separate it all and find the matches. But yeah, basically that's going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope that I give you guys some motivation to maybe clean out your closets as well if it needs to be done. But that's going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you guys haven't already. And I'll be seeing you very soon in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.